Welcome friends, today we will be discussing PSIR, that is Political Science Optional Test Series. Just now we have launched different weekend batches for political optional as well as GS Polity module. So many students were asking, sir, what about the test series? We are interested about test series also. So this video is about that. Now in this particular thing, we will discuss about this test series. What are the key features of this test series? How the papers are going to be evaluated? What are the additional benefits? And then finally, how to join the test series. First of all, really any optional, whether it's PSR or any other optional, really change the outcome of the examination? Answer is yes. Why? Don't you think to get a call for interview, you should get good marks in mains? And in mains, don't you think there are two papers? One is essay and second is optional, where if you can score well, you can definitely get call for personalities. There are a lot major chances. Essay is there for 250 marks and optional for 500 marks. So in optional, if you are getting score about 280 plus or 300, it is considered as a reasonable good score. But the examination is a written exam. So in that case, don't you think you should think about your writing skills? You have to improve it. But mere writing skill is sufficient to crack the optionals? No, you require good content also. And there are students who have good writing skill and content also, but they normally say, so we were unable to complete the paper. Why? Because you never gone for time management. So do you think you have to think about the time management also? So by this test is, I hope all these three things will be taken care of. Now, how exactly the test series will go? Now here, don't you think for UPSC optional, you had two papers, paper 1 and the second is paper 2. So how the test series is designed? Please look at the board. In each paper you had two sections, section A and section B. Please look at the board. It will become more easy. Okay, why I have designed this test series in this manner only. Now in each paper carries the weightage of 250 marks. But there are two rules. Question 1 and 5 is compulsory. And out of remaining, you are supposed to solve any 3 out of 6. But again, one condition is there, minimum one question each from each section. That itself means we are going by section wise, and that's the reason I have decided to have a test series where we will have sectional test initially. That means paper 1 section A, paper 1 section B, paper 2 section A, paper 2 section B, and then we will have full-fledged paper 1 and paper 2 test, so that your comprehensive preparation will be covered. And here we will see to it that you will master the art of answer writing and tackle dynamic questions which are there in PSIR, because in PSIR most of the time questions are linked with current affairs. So you can prepare those things and you can go to the exam with good confidence. Then comes the next. So what are the key feature of this? How long this test series will continue? Approximate duration will be 2 months. How many tests will be there? 6 tests. Just now I said 4 sectional tests and 2 full-length tests on entire syllabus. What will the mode? Now this is the all India test, so I decided to have the mode is only online. It is exclusively online. So आप घर पे बैठ के test दे सकते हैं. And the test pattern, the questions will be asked on the latest UPSC CSE pattern. So this is also one of the advantage. So how answers are going to be evaluated? Answer sheets are going to be assessed on the basis of conceptual clarity, answer writing skill, and your command over language. So don't say, sir, I have written 40 pages and still I am unable to get even 60 marks. So you have written 40, but it is not at all linked with the question, then why should I give marks? And remember, each and every paper is going to be checked by me only, and there will be test discussion also by me only. Then there are many students who say, so it will be better if you get model answer. Yes, for all tests you will get model also, answers also. How it will go? Suppose on Sunday we have test this Sunday. So coming Saturday you will have discussion on that test, so that you will have enough time for preparation also. Not only this, for sectional test, I have seen to it that you should get minimum 1 week gap, and when we'll have full length test, that is paper 1 and paper 2, the gap is 2 weeks. So you'll have enough time to prepare. And I'm not taking any burden, giving you any burden of 10 tests or 20 tests, because I know that optional is not the only thing you are supposed to prepare. You are supposed to prepare GS also, essay also. So writing optional 40, 50 tests is not sufficient. You should write even GS also and essay also. So I have taken due care and designed the schedule in such a manner which will help you for your optional examination. Then sir, how we should get in touch? As I said, the mode is only online. If you want to contact, email ID is admin@skedutech.biz. If you want to talk, phone number is 8888149555. And what about the fees? The fees is 5999 inclusive GST. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.